Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your name from Instagram profile. First open your Instagram app and go to your profile. It's the bottom right side and click edit profile. Enter your name, click done and click done right top. Now your username changed.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.